Hello, I'm Emma and I lost 6 stone in a year with Slimming World, and I thought I would do a video on how I did it, tips and tricks and how to get motivation. I thought it might help people. So yeah, stick around if you want to see how I got from this to this, and then reality is this. So yeah, stick around. I've always suffered with being overweight since I was about 5. I used to eat everything. Unluckily for me, I've got a brother and he eats everything and he's really slim, so I used to try and eat the same as him, and it made me put on all the weight and he was slim, so it was alright for him. Not jealous, you can tell. Yeah, so it's always been one of my insecurities, and I've always felt like I've always been on a diet, and I only really became in control of my weight and enjoying food, healthy food, when I started doing Slimming World. So I tried Slimming World I think 2 times before I lost all my weight. Yeah, I think the first time I lost a stone, then gave up. Second time I lost a stone, then gave up. So I knew it always worked for me. Obviously diets work differently for everyone, but Slimming World really worked well for me. And it's not really a diet, it's more just a healthy eating lifestyle. My biggest weight, I was 17 stone. I'll see if I can get a picture here. I love doing that, I don't know why. And I didn't actually realise until my mum, because obviously my mum knows that I struggle with my weight my whole life, she said to me, you've put on a bit of weight, like I don't want you to get sad. I know you get sad when you put on weight. So, and then I was like, oh, how dare she say that? But then obviously after I thought, oh God, like it's almost like I looked in the mirror and I saw it and I was like, I need to sort myself out here. I looked at my BMI and it said obese, and that was enough. I thought, oh my God, like that is, I don't know, I think it says all the risks you can, like all the diseases you can get and all the things like that. So I don't know, I thought I definitely need to do something about this. So I set myself a first target of getting to a healthy BMI. That was what I wanted to do. So for my height and my weight, that would be 11 stone 11. That's the highest end of the healthy weight. So I thought that'd be a good place to start. So that was my motivation. My health. And as well, I'm quite young. I'm 24. I had to think then. I'm 24 and I don't want like health issues now. Some of my go-to Slimming World meals are sausage, chips and beans, homemade burgers with a salad. They're really nice. So even like in the summer when you can have barbecues, you can still have a healthy barbecue. You just make your homemade burgers. Pizzas, you make your homemade pizzas with a Weight Watcher wrap. You make it and you put whatever you want on it. I'm loving it at the moment. There's fish cakes from Morrison's. Oh my God, they are so good. They've got cheese melted in the middle, so they're 2 cents each. They're the salmon haddock ones. They are so good. That is like a lovely meal with a bit of salad. Spaghetti bolognese, homemade. Like basically Slimming World is just homemade things, and that is it. It's just making everything yourself, and obviously it involves a lot of effort, and it is. Some days I'm like, I just can't bother to put this effort in, but it's definitely worth it. And we all get days where we can't bother and we have a takeaway, but we're all human, aren't we, at the end of the day? Obviously not every week I lost weight. I did have weeks where I would put on weight, and obviously that's disheartening, especially the weeks where you put on weight or you don't lose weight and you've tried so hard. But that is life. Our bodies take time, take adjusting to. One thing that kept me going through Slimming World, which I did do from the beginning of my journey, is a cheat day. Many people have cheat days or cheat meals. So with me, I weigh in on a Saturday. On a Saturday, I eat anything and everything that I want. So that helped me, because on a Tuesday when I'm struggling and I desperately want Domino's, I just think to myself, I will have Domino's on Saturday. If I smash it, I will have Domino's on Saturday. I will enjoy every bit of Domino's and that garlic and herb dip. I will enjoy that. I will enjoy it so much. But right now I need to eat healthy, and that would get me through most of the time. Obviously not all the time, because I'm not a robot, but most of the time I'd think, oh yeah, and then my Saturday would come and I'd be like, what do I eat? What do I want to eat for cheat day? I can eat anything I want. The thing that I think was really helpful in Slimming World is that you get given certificates when you get to every half a stone. So I've got 2 here that I just grabbed, my 2.5 stone and my 4. They're really helpful. It's just nice, like, it's them things where I'm like £2 away from getting this one, so I'm like, oh my god, I want that certificate, and I deserve that certificate. I have put hard work in. Give me that certificate, I'm gonna get it. So again, that's another thing that gives you such good motivation, that I think is really, really helpful. You can also get stickers as well. So my book is a bit beaten up. So this is my book. I spilled water on it, so it's all a bit funny. So yeah, you get all your stickers. It's the same, exact same as the these certificates, but that also is like something exciting. It's just like, we've all got a bit of kid in us, ain't we? Is that even a saying? I don't know, but we all like shiny things that sort of praise us, and we can tell everyone, look how well I've done. So I think this is such a good idea. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, that's like all of the things that sort of kept me going. The certificates, the shiny stickers telling me I'm fabulous, and yeah, just that's what kept my motivation up. And obviously seeing my BMI go down, which is like really good. I also have an Instagram where I post all my meals and things like that, so I'll put the name here. If anyone wants to follow it or have a look at it, whatever. That's also been really fun to do on my journey as well, so definitely recommend making an Instagram. It's almost like a food diary, so you can keep track of what you're actually eating. Sometimes when you think, oh, why haven't I lost weight, you can look back on that, so that's also another really good thing. Also on Instagram, I do a lot of transformation pictures. So for example, from this to this, I think they're really good to have, really good to look back at how far you've come. I definitely recommend, if you're at the beginning of starting your journey, to take pictures. Take loads of pictures of what you look like right now. I have pictures of me in my underwear, of my body, like my front, my back, my side, with clothes on. You will thank yourself when you've lost loads of weight and you can look back at how well you've done. So I think we're all quick to not praise ourselves. So take these pictures so you can have a chance to say, yes, I am fabulous, I have done really well. So that's definitely another motivational factor. That's the word. So thank you for watching my video on how I lost my weight. I'm still going, I'm still doing it, so hopefully I can get the last 12 pounds off, and then I'll be at my target, which will be really, really fun, and another challenge of trying to maintain rather than lose weight. Yeah, if you are thinking about joining Slimming World, I definitely recommend it. Give it a go. And yeah, hope you like my video. I might post some more Slimming World videos, so stay tuned.